So we are on the hunt for a restaurant that we ate at, 6 years ago? And we had no idea what the name of it is. And the only way I think I know how to get there is to start at the Uffizi and the Fake David, and we're going to try to walk to it, based on purely just on my memory. We'll see how it goes.
That's it right there. That's what I ate. Oh my god.
I'm on eggshells because I don't know if it's still going to be as good as I thought it was. It's really scary because this is the best meal I've had in my life. So it's like my favorite meal we've ever eaten. I'm very nervous.
Let's just say that this meal did not disappoint, and Hosteria da Ganino has secured its spot as one of our all-time favorite restaurants for a long time to come. I am so glad we found it again.